Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make simple water filling animation in Solidworks animation. So let's start. So first thing that you have to do is click on the assembly because it will, we are going to make all my parts in assembly mode for the sake of simplicity. So close this. Now I will click on insert components, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now I will draw a shape like this. It is my container basically, okay? And make sure while making no external references is checked on as you will face a lot of issues. I warn you. And make it 200. You know what? Make it 50. Uh, Notice it is underdefined. So move this here. By pressing Ctrl select this point, make it coincide. Now it is fully defined. Okay. This is a construction line, so it doesn't matter what is the length. Notice it is fully defined. Now I will go to the features, click on revolve pose space, click on no. Just in case if anybody doesn't understand what does that pop-up means, I highly recommend check out my free course on SolidWorks, link in description. Uh, okay, you see it is a sharp edge. If you want you can use fillet here in sketch mode or fillet afterwards. It's up to you. So click OK. Uh, but it is not transparent. Exit this as in component mode. Select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I will make another part. Revolve boss space. It doesn't need to be, correct define or something else. It is just a showpiece. I will simply hide it later onwards. So exit this. Now select the front plane again. Press Ctrl plus 8. Now the part that I'm making now that is very important one. So click on here, click on new part. Select the front plane. And this time uncheck this one. Okay. So make sure this time national references is unchecked. So select the rectangle. Not the rectangle. T. Notice it is fixed with the top. That is basically what I want. Click on Evolve Boss Base. Select this. Click OK. So I will call this part, water. Just give it some color of water. Click OK. I know it's look quite bad, but still it's working. Now click on this. Now what I will do, I will press Ctrl plus 8, select this part and drag it downwards. If I click on rebuild, notice size is here. Now we'll go to the, so I will create a new motion study. So let's see how to do it. So what you have to do is click on motor, select this face, linear, distance 100 meters fine, and it start from 0 second and go up to maximum 5 seconds. Select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Let's increase the frame per second. Let's make it 30 to make it look good. Click on calculate. If I click on play, one thing that I forgot to do is I will go backward, select this part, right click, and remember hide component, not changing transparency, not suppress, hide components. Now if I click on play, now I can see like look like water is filling up. Simple simulation, nothing hi-fi or difficult thing, quite basics. So if you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.